Hello, this is John Diaz, presidential candidate here in Colombia. Got a beautiful Caterpillar motor grader. This one here looks like it belongs to the government. They use this to maintain the government roads. And then we have a beautiful case vibratory roller. It's got a beautiful cab with heat and air conditioning. There you have it. Look at this beauty. American made, guys, here in Colombia. This is why we have to have good ties with all our allies. So we can boost manufacturing in the United States of America. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family. I'm asking for your support. If you want a robust economy, I'm offering to expand the economy 40 times larger than it is today. And at the same time, provide a bonus program for all the American workers. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.